Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Prajakta. As I promised in the last lecture, I am here with a new topic. It's the unit 2 topic first, that is poem Invictus. We are going to see the appreciation of the poem in this video. Here is the appreciation of the poem. Let's take a look. The poem Invictus is written by the William Ernest Henley. He wrote his poem whilst in hospital undergoing the treatment for the tuberculosis of the bones in his left leg. The poem has 4 stanzas and the rhyme scheme of the poem is ABAB. The poet has used multiple figures of speech such as alliteration, repetition, and metaphor, but the poet has effectively, perfectly used personification out of the night that covers me. We can see that the night is covering to the speaker, that means the human quality of covering is given to the non-living thing night. The central idea of the poem is the resilience of the human spirit in the face of extreme personal suffering. The poet wants to give an universal message through the poem that no matter what life throws at you, no matter how bad it is, never ever let it crumble you and get you down. The poet states immense strength of human spirit in the depth of the adversity in the darkest time, and even the own faith is against you. The human spirit is strong enough to face all the pain and struggle and push through. So this is all about the appreciation. I have written all the important points in a red ink. That is the title of the poem. Then here is the poet, then the rhyme scheme, then figure of speech used in the poem, then the central idea of the poem, and the theme or the explanation is here. So in this today's video, that's it. We will again meet in a next video.